Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 start menu not working. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 start menu is not working, then I will show you how to fix this issue in a simple way. First, what to do, you have to just open the task manager, just right click on this task bar, then click on task manager. In this, you have to find Windows Explorer. Select any one of the tasks, then scroll down. You can see at Windows Explorer, right click on this, then click on restart and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. By just clicking on start, you will come to know that your issue has been resolved or not. If still it is not working, then you will see here details. Just tap on these details, select any one of the tasks, then click on S alphabet. Here you have to find start menu experience host.exe. Right click on that, then click on end task, then confirm to the end task and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 start menu not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.